Hi, my name is Mansi, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of critical thinking. Do you remember the story of the shepherd who kept crying wolf to alert villagers that his flock was under attack? But when they showed up, they found no wolf there. Then one day the boy cried again for help, but no villager went to help him, thinking it was another false alarm. So the wolf ate up all the sheep. The story is meant to warn us against lying. It's bad enough you do it once, but if you keep at it, you'll just end up in trouble, like the boy did. Let's pause here for a moment. Can there be a different moral to this story? What if the wolf did really appear the first couple of times, only to flee when people came to the boy's rescue? Maybe the villagers jumped to the wrong conclusion. Be it in life or at work, it's human nature to take the path of least resistance and go with the crowd. But the leaders who exercise critical thinking systematically eliminate the possibility of a wolf lurking in the bushes rather than assuming that it doesn't exist. And that's how they stay ahead of the others.